Why are we
restricting abantu abayenza so much talent in South Africa? And then why are we pushing them away instead of ukuthi beze?
Makumbuzo wami ukuthi why most amathisti wethu
ayangaphandle angaremain la.
Ukudla
khona uhlaleleni la.
Nesti uphi
No.
Do you want to move from USA and come to South Africa to do what? To dance for our piano?
Ngizama ukuthi azikho izinto ezinhle ezenzeka la eMzansi besides ukujayiva amapiano. That's what you're trying to say. Come on, my girl.
Asinayo land eSouth Africa.
okay?
Ungivumela kanjani ukuthi athi ngiland eSouth Africa thina singanayo eSouth Africa? Like charity begins at home, Aisha.
It begins at home, but at home abana mali. Do you know that even Ramaphosa doesn't take orders in South Africa?
Uyivumele.
Nigerians are coming to South Africa because they think it's a land of honey and bees, chill like that. But as South African citizens, we think it's bullshit. We're already suffering, we're struggling.
They should just come here for vacation. Not come here, manje, and bring their uncles. No.
This thing you plan is a party to create one political party. It's bullshit now.
It's not bullshit.
It's the new world order, but it's not.
Why do you think it bullshit? Exactly. Maybe we're changing our president.
So those all countries, they're trying to create one currency to destroy
the
dollar.
So that the value here brings way more than it all.
Yeah. So that more people in Nigeria or people speaking people. Yeah, but basically not South Africa per se, Africa, because Africa as a whole is a developing country. So since it's a developing country, meaning the currency is kind of weak comparing it to the UK, the dollar, the British, and so recently after COVID, most of the people from the USA and the UK, they started, I don't know, like they started
So do you
around
think it's
Africa.
all about money? Like what's money? Or do you think how it might be like that was paid? Like who are allowing it to happen? Because those people who they like continue to and then like is it all about money? Because now like I'm an immigrant, they do come here, Mara. You know what's born as born like that because of our money.
Because they don't affect the economy of South Africa.
But they also do, because buyer things sell is in Danish. So they also do buyer contribute. It's just that as born and you know what's about 30 like is huge, like a land. And you should spawn money. They're coming here to buy land. So it's in as born because they are not taking anything from us. But by 30 man, like my things are like most of the things. And they are expensive. So when we pay makasi,
Okay.
so I don't think it's all about money. Fine buyers, but I think was crazy like up there. Like who are allowing it to happen? Like a lot of women with basing up a bit. I don't think
You think rich people don't have papers?
They do.
I'm a paper.
Yeah, you're talking about the middle, the lower class.
In the show, it's born as born because Abana and in a way by equality population. By equality population, and then most of the cases, bias toys in the sinners are coming good so. Like most of them savings, like Mama Pegaman Uber, like not Futama Uber, ma Mr. D. Very good.
Okay,
most of them are immigrants.
Okay, but then you need to remember that Mr. D and Ama Uber, it's private enterprise. So they have a right to hire whoever they want because they are cheap labor.
But even the ones like money, better from outside, like American and stuff, as you say, about 10 million. Mama's a Mama private entities, like as back born born herself. You think you show good why if government we like over from the first. Why when I'm up and then by the 10 land and stuff. In all this or I'll into yourself. Like you still don't have like a house under your name. Like don't mom in say 1966 lab. But I told my man. Mara imi conduce the thing a huge land can be kept on fine mara good in daylight South Africa. I don't know when I go in my country, I don't know what popular yeah.
Okay, maybe what I'm saying is, do you think the difference in country is the first problem? Because I believe like umuntu uphila like a USA. Uphila the very same way umuntu uphila like South Africa. It's just that standard of living maybe in terms of currency, income, is far. Like they think maybe $500 is equivalent to $50. But then when they come here with that $500, changing it into
but who's allowing that to happen? Obviously government. Donald Trump looks like baby yabo ile country because we have a resources now that side. And then it's up to them who's going to like they don't have a problem with Patalaman, you think is because of Maalangan. So it's in that lane is like currently in 50 rand, you have to pay electricity, you have to pay water. Ngayo 50 rand, ganja. Ezinye izinto besengizikhona
yeah, somehow
so that's why it's izinto la zingayenzeki but zenzeka kwamanye amakhaya. Who's allowing that to happen? Government obviously.
But then wait.
And who's allowing that to happen? Like again, if in
but then wait,
even your government does pay
do you know that if we're one man, maybe like Elon Musk, you can do whatever you want in USA?
Nah, I don't think so.
I'm telling you, that's why.
Nyofika ngale sebanazo bona already.
No.
Sinaskala binazo but uyabaningi, you understand? Bathengi land in South Africa. But thina asinayi land in South Africa.
Okay.
Uvumela kanjani ukuthi athengi land in South Africa thina singanayi in South Africa? Like charity begins at home, Aisha.
It begins at home, but at home abana mali.
Why nasiphi?
So you do think
so when I like when a manager abantu like God anointed you to ukuthi ube busy nabantu like uphatha abantu and then when ucabanga isikhathi sakho like ucabanga ukuthi I need to have money more than abanye abantu abahlala like uNkulunkulu ukunikela into ukuthi bheka labantu laba nomhlaba wonke abanento ukuthi okay I need to have a person kanjani. I'm not saying that. I'm saying okay Ramaphosa now sitting abantu like South Africa babheke when ucabanga isikhathi sakho ukuthi loya magazi Donald Trump ezala South Africa azothenga leni niya benefit mina ebala South Africa banganayo.
Wait,
kanjani?
First thing first, do you know that even Ramaphosa doesn't take orders in South Africa?
Uyivumele.
No, it's the structure of the government, the way it's building a code. So government, let's say government is corrupt as a whole, but there are those people maybe Bayazama, whatever. If Bayazama or if maybe let's say the citizens can see, okay, this person maybe is doing something. Resources with government, but the way the government is structured on its own, it's more of fairness, and fairness, it doesn't mean when I'm pay 50 rand, I'm pay $500, it's unfair. According to government, mobile measure or whatever, mobile calculating, okay, $1 it's equivalent to 18 rand. First thing first, that's bullshit. Why can't the dollar be equivalent to $1? But then
I get you.
ama currencies wayavela in it, like more petty 100 rand lana more in Nigeria maybe you pay probably 500 or 2,000. You never know. But now imagine, let's say Nigerians are coming to South Africa because they think it's a land of honey and bees, shit like that. But as South African citizens, we think it's bullshit. We're already suffering, we're struggling, and all that stuff. They shouldn't come here. They should do their own thing there.
Yeah, they should just come here for vacation.
But
Not to be going there for vacation. Exactly. They should just come here for vacation. Not come here, manje, and bring their uncles. No. You may not go to hours, but you know what? I want to go to Durban, July or somewhere. That's okay. That's fine. Not bad, man.
but then it's kind of like you should know BT award. Next thing we'll be like, damn, I like LA. Next thing is citizen, you say LA, they accept you like you are one of them. Next thing you can do whatever you want.
But I know South Africa is home. To somebody who has been to America, but we are as good as South Africa is home. That's the only thing. You have to know this country is my home.
Well, let's just say there's no place like home.
Yeah.
But then you can still take advantage over other countries or over other people.
I think it's value more than humanity. I think.
Do you know why BRICS was formed?
Yeah.
No, like I'm just saying, like BRICS, Brazil, what South Africa, whatever. I'm sure what Brazil maybe it's good at iron, wheat, what, and then South Africa is good at minerals.
By collaborate, by match, and then by that, are we selling those things that we are providing?
No, they can sell to each other without tariffs.
Okay.
It's more like a free trade amongst BRICS. That is why recent Amanyama countries say what we need, the BRICS is no longer just those. I don't know, it's 5 letters or 6. There are more now. But then the main aim, the main reason it was to destroy the dollar. Because everything it's more like it's converted to the dollar. How much is a dollar? It's 1 rand over a dollar. How much is 1 British pound over a dollar? And it looks like for the longest time a dollar was dominating the market. So they're thinking USA is trying to fuck us somehow. Like they can produce shit, but they can collaborate with other countries. You give us this, we'll give you that. We'll give you that. And then eventually the BRICS team was formed so that, you know what, at least let the dollar be weak against. So eventually the BRICS is going to be a currency where the whole world we're using one currency.
But do you think like this thing here there because of like by influencer in a way? I don't know if you get me, because like sometimes even in my adverts, like they can advertise maybe the adverts maybe more cash, but because buyers but about time the cash, so they're going to buy that thing because of cash. So as much as it breaks the UE6 WhatsApp, because USA are you? Yeah.
No, they're trying to destroy it by creating the currency of BRICS. So those all countries, they're trying to create one currency to destroy
the dollar. So that the value of BRICS be more than the dollar.
Yeah. So that more people in Nigeria or people spilling people you want rand is 1 rand.
But that's the dollar. When was in besides dollar?
Yeah?
Was in besides dollar? Like the currency.
I mean, it may dominate throughout.
I'm a fool and then we was a movie. Was a dollar because it's cool.
But then
USA.
But then do you know what 1 British pound it's more than $1?
As for
The reason singafuni was is because in Britain or in the UK, whatever, they don't collaborate with other countries where like, okay, you give us this, we'll give you that. They take. They just take.
They are not taking. They are not saying dollar is ours. Don't is dollar. Are they saying that? They are not saying that. They just say, come, let's do this business together.
Okay. Do you know why most US citizens are not living in Britain or in England? Because it's expensive more than in USA. But because USA do all this stuff, it makes it look like USA is a good place. And it is a good place. It is a good place. So they're trying to dominate everything.
So do you want to move from USA and come to South Africa to do what? To dance for Amapiano? Like izini zenzeka
Okay.
Ukuthi azikho izinto ezinhle ezenzeka la eMzansi besides ukujayela amapiano. Is that what you're trying to say? Come on, my girl. Nasithathe kanjalo. Nathi bakhona abantu abayenza izinto ezinhle nami. My girl.
And Bani. It's just that they don't sell themselves like.
No, guys, I'm not saying that. I'm saying I need to Mamelan. I'm not saying Mina as is isn't like now about Uncle Afos from like South Africa or America. If you have a child, no, if like America, okay.
But then Mama explain.
So why are we restricting those people who are doing so much talent in South Africa?
Why are we
restricting so much talent in South Africa? And then why are we pushing them away instead of Gucci Bears?
Why most artists do it?
Remain
okay, first thing first, even now, where there's opportunities.
So why are we complaining?
No,
what I'm saying is, why are we complaining? Like when you were saying when everyone wants to be America, why are we complaining? Why are we not taking that? Actually, there is something that we are doing.
No,
exactly.
There is in terms of the currency, but what you're doing here, you can do it in USA.
But it doesn't slap the same. Hence, I'm saying it doesn't slap the same.
Maybe when you just want the experience of USA.
No, opportunities are corner.
No. It's just
are restricted. Then you show the balapo because of Galula. It's 2 point something. Yeah, I think it's 2 point something. They're not paying electricity. They're not paying water. So my benefits go bongale money more than 10.
But then
now we have to
fill
up pocket karama cost.
Okay.
Like we need to fill up.
It's roughly how much?
Yeah. 2.5.
Child support.
$. Child support or a grant?
No, like 370.
Unemployment.
Yeah,
2 point something.
Yes.
But then more check. It's not like Martin. It's not like in Pupu 100 rand. Maybe it's. I don't know. Let's say maybe. $2.5. Somewhere maybe almost 9K, 10K. Iningi munza ngapha mara ngalena incane because of like the cost of living. It's too much.
So do you enjoy like because I think we are going to change. You're not buying electricity, you're not buying water. Imali yako join go Ramaphosa. It's food, toiletries. Yeah. Uzbeke when you're not buying electricity, you're not paying rent. Unless you pay apartment. I'm not talking about those people. But pay apartment. You
Okay, some of those things blame many political parties.
Exactly my point. Hence ngishilo ngendaba yokuthi they are buying land la. That's not us.
Who's buying land?
People from outside, they're buying land. That's not us. That's not our decision. I don't think so phone. Hence kuba nalabantu abacoshayo. Inhlanhla-lax.
Okay, but
the
then
operation to do and something.
But then I think that thing was working.
It was working.
It was working.
Yeah, it was working.
Currently, more big situation, everything is just.
Ngibona sinejele guys ifethi yakhona. Hayi incane nje la South Africa ngazi 7.9. Thina la 15%.
Imagine most in Nigeria, pet amaphepha kanjena kanti phethe 100 rand. It's useless.
Bitcoin, no, this will Bitcoin
well, yeah, maybe.
But we are far on
cryptocurrency.
Because I think Masira, like none of me pets, mining like you're born. Rather than my Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin is just a coin. Yeah, maybe a coin they show me far from Mali to Mali. I see a coin there. So yeah, it's more the coin anyone in Mali. Rather than man. Man keep it at the rand. Who keep you on 20?
But then still into one. Again last year GNU. This thing you plan is a party to create one political party. It's bullshit now.
It's not bullshit.
It's the new world order, but it's not.
Why do you think it would cheat? Exactly. Maybe we're changing our president.
Okay, as it my own thinking of something you wanna let you complain.
I think even accountability. Mangiboni ngcono masazi ukuthi if Ramaphosa, because guys in Spain honest, not always Ramaphosa are really afike ezandleni ezirong. Afika ku DA njengoba manje ama minister maningi abroad. Minister of Education wins DA, Minister of what the ANC. Who's like is holder a party accountable. Like who holder asithi ukhala ngama finances or ukhala ngehealth but umuntu DA. And the health umuntu DA uzoblame Ramaphosa. Ngeke uzoblame Minister of Health.
Okay, but GNU uzohold accountable.
The party on its own.
But then remember the party in a combination now. Amayama party. So as much as there's one objective, they don't all believe in that objective. Some they just wanna eat. Some they just wanna have a seat.
See, I must play. Initially, this thing is a hierarchy. According top level, medium level, lower level. Top level, Ramaphosa, fine. The medium level, baningi.
Yeah.
Like abantu abaphuma emakhaya ahlukile abakhuliswanga ngokufana. Are they willing to make that work? Abakhona. Wonke umuntu uyadlela. Thina nathi si lost khona ANC khona DA khona in. But if sivotele party one, siyazi ukuthi thina as abantu bakulo si hold abantu accountable. Si hold abantu baku media. Bona ba hold abantu. Siyayibona igap ukuthi who's eating kahle kahle? Is it the president or is it labantu laba bakhona? Because nalabantu bayadla guys, but we are only blaming the president. And if president uyi-one, ama-party maningi, who are they voting ama-party? Mbani bamvotela kakhulu ama-party yobona stable, you know what? Yithi esikhethayo i-Minister of Education, Minister of Health, what. I-president yena kumele kivumela injengomuntu ophethe like i-manager. Manager kumele isebenzisane ne-CEO because CEO iyazi abasebenzi directly or supervisor iyazi abasebenzi directly. So if the supervisor iyale low uzalele phela abantu abaku DA they are still out, okay, abantu abaku EFF they are still under umalema, whether baku Department of Health but still under umalema, and umalema is literally against of everything show ANC, like everything is your ANC. And yokuba nalabo bantu laba bavumelana nomalema ukuthi no what ngivumelana nomalema, so kumele simamele umalema singamameli Ramaphosa or simamele umalema singamameli lo DA. So mina kube nento eyi-one sazi ukuthi must hold umuntu accountable, siholda lo muntu.
Ingakuze kube nama-different parties ngangibona ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi asicabanga ngokufana asenzi into ngokufana so bakamali
but then you cannot
But who are you blaming? Are you blaming uMalema if izinto zakhe azihambi kahle, or you blaming uRamaphosa? You blame uRamaphosa, but Ramaphosa akavumelani na 50% into my results show. So they are not working together. And umuntu lapho ku-EFF uthatha ama-orders kuRamaphosa. Uthatha ama-orders because asikhuluma njenge-text. Text abantu abavumelana nayo. Mina I think i-ANC nalawo mayina parts, but DA, MK nana they were against that. Bagcina bayenza beze ne-solution eyi-one. So ne-GNU sonke saphikisana individually mara siza ne-solution eyi-one. Ezonceda abantu. Ayincedi mina kuphela, inceda nabanye abantu.
Okay, yeah, you have a point, but then don't you think even at the top there's the puppet master? Wale GNU. There's somebody, do you know what like
Into ngisho but siyazi thina ukuthi who are we holding accountable? Ubani? I-GNU. I-GNU bona babodwa bazodecide ukuthi who's wrong, who's right. Thina siyazi ukuthi i-GNU as a whole. Thina sihlezi sithi uRamaphosa. Every time sihlezi sithi uRamaphosa. Lapho i-Department of what? Utakhona sivotele MK ifuna ukulayira Ramaphosa phela
kuba and then yabona lapho nekula yonke into izoba difficult khona because in most cases an individual cannot hold people in charge accountable. They might, but they won't get anywhere because ama charges from a lawyer in so when as an individual you won't have a stand. And now there are no longer other parties like your EFF who like EFF is taking a certain person to court. It's you alone. So eventually like whoever onemalini they can win that complaint. Basically when among mali you find out of you can't take matters to GNU if GNU is wrong. You have to take it to court and then, but as an individual, not under ANC, not under EFF. So
it would have been better if it was under ANC, because those are the like no, you can't report
no,
cases in individual.
Not really. Like what I'm saying, remember there was a time government paying, and then eventually government yabako. And then e-government try to involved in whatever department, minerals in any shop. And then eventually political parties were implemented because e-government is particular. Signama Black Panther, whatever, even back in the days, whatever, Abu MK in because they were crying, good government with Ejo. You said this person guilty but innocent. And already sensible by hanging. Remember back then, the laws eventually, our laws by our band were like, okay, now you can have a jail time, prison time, whatever. Now there are different parties. Eventually they'll be like, I think Lama Party, money, what's we say them? Because when I told you ANC, EFF, DA, they believe in one objective. It's just that by Kulma different. And Banama target audience were ETA, most available in most cases are investors. They take land because they have money. Not that they don't just be like, this is my plot. They have money to back it up. Where now you can't just be like, hey, this is my forefather's land. So with that money. With that money, he can just be like, and then our parties were implemented. I listen to my sister. We say, how about we create one currency, one system where umuntu phila la kumele afane nalo phila, because you might say USA baphila different up until you get there in the crowd, in the street, and then you'll be like, Actually, I think maybe Nekota Bayenza, but Bayenza different. They don't even call it Ikota or whatever. But then because we're now Kuliwiyas as Ikota, in feel like, no, this is African food. But to look now, Bayenza is into whatever. So, as much as you might explore and think other countries are better, maybe because of currency, but then besides that, because even good government will currency. Like any business that you start, the more it becomes successful, the government is not involved. How about you publicize this company? Even public shares in because you know the more even privatized in the tax Baba like let it be high. And then eventually other people, even Gulama parties, whatever they realize, no, you can open an organization about charity tax, about donation, for toiletries, guarantees for him. But it's in the name of a greater good because it's under the government. So in all, government it's fucked, but because it's here, what can we do? It's more like the rules are meant to be broken. Imagine that they're saying if you kill somebody, you go into jail, but deep down you be like, this person killed my mom in front of me. So
do you think he needs to die?
If
I don't know.
do you
think he needs to die? What if it was a mistake?
I'm not
What
mistaken.
if he was under influence of alcohol? Do you think he needs to die? Okay, very my second chance on it.
I didn't dream. Like I'm a second chances. I do believe in them. If I have to face it like personally, but to somebody else, like, fuck him, you never know if it's a second chance or it's a third chance. So I didn't just dream the chop right in therapy and prove what accident but mistake. You had a choice to go and buy alcohol. Ask Kalela, it's just that no mass fast tracker is easy.
But yeah, you had a choice of buying alcohol, not intentionally killing a person. Are we like you never thought? Okay.
There
was a thing of alcohol.
Okay, here's the thing. Me saying the mistake, does it make it better?
Nah, I hear the better Maranyashubuti, not intentionally.
You did it well, but if the consequences is we gotta kill you.
I need to mean it's okay to kill someone.
Yeah.
But let's remind. It's even a reminder. It was not intentional.
Well, that's what he said. Maybe it's just a bullshit excuse. Maybe it's up to you, guilty conscience. Okay, remember, maybe back in the Bible they said, don't kill, don't. If you move to China, and then at that time, man, fuck the Bible, man. Like, this person has killed my whole life. My entire family is gone because of it, and now this is like a mistake. I get it, but it's just that the government people were like must be fair. As some crazy, as is with the east side like the story, what you might just bullshit you. I can't know. Amnesia, what. Or maybe it was a mistake, but the fact that now I have to carry on without these people and this trauma that it's you. Who did this? And you're still walking around free. Free. Yeah. Where's that smiling?
Who are we blaming? Question, who are we blaming? The president or the party? Who are we blaming?
That's a big question. I don't even know. I'm not sure.
Who are we blaming? Like when you blame one. When a person and blame one.
Who do I blame?
Yeah.
Okay, you know, a part of me sometimes it says, believes in an eye for an eye. And then sometimes it believes in turn the other cheek. Yabo. So,
I'm not blaming you, okay? I'm blaming you.
it is what it is.
Because the corruption,
Politics
yinkinga yami ukuthi okay wena uzothi blame abantu. Corruption ingaki khona yonke indawo ma-police station especially everywhere ikhona corruption. Corruption nesuphamaphosa kusiyamaphansi nabantu.
Ngoba la masengile don't do the same.
Don't do the same thing.
We'll do the same, girl. The same thing. Money carries a lot.
So maybe that's why I think maybe people when they think about money they start thinking about
I feel like money money. From the tongue to change it. Yeah.
No, it's just
No, it's just that I'm supposed to pattern let people be people too. Like when there's a conversation, and it's funny because man just we are thinking the same, like being we are speaking the same language. We want to be Maseng now, now it becomes a problem because man is a chair and then I'm blaming why.
I think Kona this concept, people more often used to say, whenever you need any problem, just shout, I got your back. But in reality, they are saying, whenever you are sad, don't forget. If let's say you need help now, and then you go to that person, you're like, but you said, when I need anything, I should shout. Now I'm shouting. You're telling me you don't have shit. What the fuck? But then, eventually, when I start to have money, you come to me and be like, why am I so chinky? Why am I so squishy?
Did I promise?
Yeah, something like that.
Do we keep our promises?
Not all the time.
I'll figure out now, guys. I don't know. Because I figure out how much I need by print. I'm so.
Imagine the first time in 2010. We are cooking plus 3 million. For a project, okay, at least half nyana 500k. Yeah, half a million. The rest in your hands.
I need the cars. I'm not to drive it in the mode. Now it's see this banini. What's the reason it's banini? It's banning. What's the reason when it's banning is inflation?
Yeah.
I wish. Yeah, I'm doing those things.
It's crazy. So I kind of get it multi. Yeah, well, let's say USA, because currently the currency is dominating.
Like you watch American people.
Here's a question. Do you think the corner someone Upfumana Mzanzi update passport and now? Okay, suppose let's say, I'm sure some countries you can't just appear. You gotta have a reason for visiting to whatever vacation you come in to visit a family or whatever. Suppose let's say you have a reason to say I'm coming to visit a family. do you think ikhona someone usuka la eMzansi aphethe passport angenamali athi ufuna ukubona kwenzakala lapha
awuyendaweni plan hayi awuyendaweni plan awuyekhuluvini ngane transport kubuyele emuva ngisebonole nge-600 ngiyetshela 600 rand guys ngawuyingale unganaplan like at least bana 2 year 3 year plan wazi ukuthi aphusha kule 3 year yahamba unganaplan iyafana nabantu abawini lot hayi ababi successful aphuma kwayiplui abanaplan
ifike
banganaplan yenzani banganaplan yoyiphuphudla obvious bantu bayekudlala ibhola sibabonile kushini abanaplan.
I think imali mungayisebenzelanga iso like umuntu maboleka imali wathi ubenza what chances are high angeke uzenze you wanna do something else. Next thing say plenile and then you're like damn man we're saying plenile.
Yeah, I think imali ifike manje and I made it plan ifike imali
like mungayisebenzelanga like just like that nje so imagine we need at 10 million
awujulukanga avukanga ujayise imali nje kayi-1 phu
yo imali engaka like you don't even mind speaking about money suppose let's say imali yangena ku-account yakho yona leyo 10 million from capital my friends yonke into clean yaspenda maybe 6 months or 2 years and then later they be like you mistake your money you want it back. Ooh. Like ifana nale NSFAS imagine uthola imali engaka manje kumele ubuyisele stuff but
it's not for
yeah. Like it's crazy nje i-government mase yenze mistake yawa correct la mistake wakho now 10 zeros
man smela
10 zeros angisayi nasendlini wala le hotel ngibona
papa makambe ya papa nina ya papa tala ngibuke iStore labona ngini cash
wafuna ngisedebe
ya papa ngaphandle ngibashela papa ngomani ngibashela papa ifuse kuna laptop echela ngaphandle ngifuse ngoba business laptop echela bengizoyenza anyways thingenze next day
nambona abazozithatha ngiyibuza ngishonile likhava lezimabizo
police sitshela ukuthi imate mina kube laptop
oh yeah mara khona abanye ngisho let's say le mali uyitholile let's say uthi mina akabhalisa igama lakhe
yeah ngikama lomuntu
bese bayenza
nasihlanje ngingena manje uthi ngiyatshela nobona ngiyite sasa ngalelo langa lelo ngenza yonke into engifuna ukuyenza ngalelo langa police myself ivingela namhlanje sasa ngiphezu kwayo ilanga lonke sebachayisile manje
ngivela kuwayiphi
hote ngingamagoda 15
at least akusuyanjwala
at least akusuyanjwala nayi usuthi ustunana nokuno
you throw it
wazi ngazi uJude Bellingham ngibika Real Madrid anginamndaba Batang phakele Dubai anginamndaba fana nomuntu ozongikidnap la angicalisa malanga ngavile Dubai kuba kukorikota
ngihlula anizisabishe mkami
mara nawo ngayenza 10 million
Dubai to mina ngani.
Even if
Not
exam
same day, you come
The following day, even if I'm telling investigation. Others, there are high possibility of buzzing the reverse. I'm not reversing Capitex when this kept up one again.
I waiting. The sent.
I same day. I engage.
That's based.
It was going to airtime with it. Maybe my reverse about talking money out. 50 rand money.
Oh, football and you was very
the airtime, I was over car. Nini is a section of the man. Next week, and if you realize more Nima, you man
Capitec as a please doch. Mboneni kuthi lo enisfa ukhona munye uke watopa imali sizazana cooler box in a cooler box ayitapa ngise police station ngene ngesikole ikhona imali cash like uyitopile bayise police station amnikeza certificate so ukuthi bayabona ukuthi uyihlupha imali kakhulu maphoyisa yenze so wena bayisi-change bayisale kuma-WhatsApp ukuthi nangihlanje ngithole imali engaka.
But then do you think
sije sibaningi naye lo isabuyayidla.
Do you think imali ku-evidence isaphelele? Yonkinto ke then people want to eat. You're hungry.
So we are both in there hungry.
Yeah, we are hungry. We are hungry. And when we are hungry, we can't.
It's fucked up.
Yeah. Hungry.
It's more like it's every man for himself.
Injani.
Ngemisebenza isekuthola ngeconnection. Uzolonga ufuna imisebenzi umuntu ufaka umuntu wakile ngifaka umuntu ekhaya.
Nami ngiyakwasekhaya. HIV ngiyakwasekhaya. Injani. Inkankani umuntu ayifani bayaba khona kuyabanye babanye. So mawune inkathi isebenzisa letha. Phustile yini nje. Qala la. Umuntu oseAlexander ngimazi nokumazi. Angazama ukuphila nje. Yo, yinto jamthanda.
Ayi bayawathola amathenda bayawabhubhudla baphuze everything.
Yeah, ama-Nigeria namashana.
Futhi ama-Nigeria naye basabayenza next bahluleka ngesikhathi kunzima kakhulu.
Ngathi umhlobo walana already.
Naye basalunga.
And I think maybe
Nigeria Africa.
Well,
ikhona Africa side but
mara ngeke zwale namapula like per se. Maybe bakhona eKZN mara bayenza into zabo la like amapula amaSomalia.
okay, so bala eAfrica mara bamosha khona la futhi. Phela ibabazana lama-drugs what lawa engizinze nje namhlanje. So kumele siba accept ngoba bona bala eAfrica even though bayenza into yabo.
But then Nama Black American was OT. We were from Africa back in the days. So about Nama ancestors were also. So probably in Nigeria they'd be like, I'm sure Imali Kona is South Africa. And you corner it's just at 14 in Iran. because it's more like you will never experience the best you. Mara abantu bazo experience the best you.
Period.
Yeah. So mulana izinto uyazibona mara awuzinaki. Bona yo akaba yo lo muntu ebhayizela le so bese le mali uyayihambisa njalo. Even if we lose to hambisa 500 might be ngale mara wena mukaba so when you abazali bakho 500 imali encane kade bangathi kumele uthenge like
Ifarana namahlanya. Ifarana namahlanya.
why
Ifarana namahlanya, like amahlanya bazibona ayahlanya. Abayiboni terong. Sawas. Engin right, like they're living their normal lives. Maratina.
do you think kono
Kono
yeah to a crazy person
amapipes aphumile
inhloko yakhe yenza.
but do you think abacabangi njengathi but they're humans most love just bayacabanga nje
Bayacabanga mara ninganazi umqondo wabo usebenza kanjani awusebenzi njengathi shini.
but then I think yeah it's system at some point it's a good thing, at some point it's a bad thing, because now they say you're crazy, next thing you back identify as type what. Next thing your whole life, you know, you have PTSD, you can't do, you're just hyperactive, you see.
we're hyperactive to a certain extent.
But you push over and able to
ADD, abantwana ADD, bebathi khona ADD esikoleni.
Yeah, when you see bright colors you go mad. Why when you think I'm past like the person?
It's fucking crazy, so to make a system yet. It's maybe just kind of mentalize.
Kahle kahle, manje yakhuluma manje.
Time move and opportunities on my
Everyone is on board.
Yo. Mean, and do you know like you franchise your mama is cheap? I mean, okay, it's above a meter, but it's cheap compared to other franchise like ShopRite, KFC and stuff.
No invest on ones and
Oh, do you know?
Let's say better 1.2. Only 1.2. Like a plot, and then supplier.
Yeah, I'm paying $7. So no, it's here from us. Cheap.
Yeah,
some money is more than that.
Like 2 million.
So why are they expensive?
I'm usually like batting is a and like back women look to 70 Kamala. I'm suppliers who ingredients what next thing more cash about to buy a tree. So now you just gotta manage the place, make profit, and then every month to get somewhere certain fee. But then leave me locally high of my 1.2. I hope compared to KFC, no, it isn't in that world, like now McDonald's.
McDonald's,
And at the same time, we look pay with McDonald's.
KFC,
You pay, I can't have a mind KFC. But McDonald's, I can't lose the cars. I will pay a key.
Very pay with this in the other thing, that's been nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we took big thing that. But I was late.
Then let's now support her.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
So absolutely sihlezi amaphota. Sayidliwe. Yesinama supporter sham. Bayabhayi. Beka king ngabhayi.
Ngisho nale stereotypes ukuthi ekazi igcwele crime isn't like
A lot.
crime.
Ngathi nyawa.
Like it town you call crime in igcwele.
Masibacala ngale KFC lana.
Siyaqinini. Masithule phela Burger King majani. Sibambeni highs. Sivule Burger King. So senzele ukuthi hayi mina ngiphakathi.
Most of my 24 hours.
Yeah, most of my 24 hours.
But okay, so do you think lava valayo ukudla kuyasala?
Nakusala. Baba ne-turnover. Yeah, baba ne-stock turnover. Kumele basho kumele bangene nesitock esingakanani. Kumele basebenzise leso store leso. Masiphelile nokuya like e-KFC bakutshela ukuthi hayi chicken ayisekho ya. Sekukhona babayo kuphela.
Trejo Tebugo from Turfloop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung